got 6 free spins, so we'll see how we do. That looks good. A lot of times twos. That's there it is. $10. I would love a retrigger. Wouldn't that be nice? Ooh. Be nice to get a retrigger. Come on, one more. Ooh, one more. Did I retrigger? 6 more games. Nice. Let's do another 6. Times twos, yes. There's some sound that must be good. I don't know what it is, but oh, there's a $16 in there. So this is my $1 bet on a $20 or $30 ticket, I think. Okay, we're at 72. I don't know how much we won. Okay, maybe it's alright, $80. Come on, more times twos. More multipliers. Multiplier. No, multipliers. Okay, well, hey, I'm happy about that. $80 on a $1 bet. I got a bonus on Triple Fortune Dragon, so let's see how we do. I was betting $1. This is my first spin. 15 free spins at $1. Oh, come on. Let's do some nice wins. Okay, 840. Okay. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, keep going. What? That is not a thing. Oh my gosh, that woman shows up on all the rows. And if that middle thing had been open, or that was a match, that would have been big. A big win. Did I get it again? No free spin on that one. Oh, give me some more free spins. I have 3 more spins to go. Oh. Come on, let's do another. Last spin. Alright, well, $22 on a $1 bet is not bad. Thanks, Triple Fortune. I hadn't been recording this, but it kept giving me free games. I'm on the Aztec Fortune. And we were just waiting for lunch, really. It just kept giving me bonuses. So I started recording and keeps going for a while. That's two pyramids is a while. The Godhead is this. Every time you get a pyramid and or a jewel, that's like a scatter, and you get points for that. So I bet 25 cents. It's a penny machine. There's no option to go different. And I got more free gifts every time the 2 pyramids show up. As a while, they're also a re-trigger with more free spins. So I had 9. And I think I have had, didn't say how many I've had so far. I feel like I've had maybe 30. Oh my gosh. 33 games already in a quarter. I got more free games. I think I get 5 or 3 or 5 free games with every free trigger. Have to change, turn the music off a little bit because this music is pretty loud. Oh, I got another re-trigger. That's another 5 free games. So 12 free games remaining. Oh, again, oh my gosh. I got $25 with a gold bag and $16. Oh my goodness. I'm up to $60, $70. Oh my gosh. What is happening? I got $25 and 16. How much is that? $40 on the gold bags. And the Godhead is only 30 cents. But I got more free spins. Wow, what an amazing run this is. And I'm still getting free games. Literally, we're just waiting for the restaurant to open with our menu items. I'm just so glad to have this good run. We're at the Snoqualmie Casino, which is about 25 miles outside of Seattle. And we love this casino. It's in the mountains pretty much. Oh wow. And it has all our favorite games. They just added a hotel. The hotel, I can't remember if we've stayed at the hotel. We stayed at several casino hotels already, and I can't remember if we have. I feel like we have. And this is one of our favorite places to go to. And sometimes we do well, like today. Sometimes we don't. Oh, another free spin. So we got another 5, I think, free games. I might have to review the video to see how I did. Wow, I feel like this is the most, and I'm really glad about it, Aztec Fortune. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got 6 free games. Nice. I got more respins 3 times. The coin here, this one, that is a free spin. Wow. Again. It keeps hitting. I'm gonna have to count this online and see how I yeah, we like coming here. We like playing here. We love the food here. We order the eggs with the sausage and the potatoes. We call it the country scramble, or they call it the country scramble, and that is another 3 free games or 5 free games. I'm missing it. So more free spins, really. And 125. I am up to a wonderful bonus at 120 almost dollars. So anyway, so we love the breakfast that they have after 2 p.m. they have breakfast. And we also like, I love the mocha. They have great carrot cake. I already love making my own carrot cake, but theirs is probably the only carrot cake that I will purchase and freeze. They freeze really well. The icing is wonderful. I'll try to see if I can show you if they have some. Sometimes they don't have any carrot cake. Oh. Okay, so there's 4 free games remaining. Let me see if I can figure out some other. Wow. $122. Oh my goodness. For this 25-cent bet. Incredible run. Ooh. And look, I got more. So it is 5 free games every time I get the re-trigger. 3 pyramids or 3 gems. So I guess we're not done yet. This bonus has been running for 7.5 minutes. Oh my goodness. I got 2 free games left. And 1 free game left. Oh yeah. Is that it? $127 on a multiple spin. Wow. Thank you, Aztec Fortune. I came back to the machine and I just put in another 25 cents or $10 and 25-cent bet, and I just got more bonuses. So we'll see if we match our previous winner or how we're doing. This has 10 free games initially, and you get 5 free games every time you get a re-trigger. And I hope I get some re-triggers. Did I just retrigger? No, I don't think that was a re-trigger. I get confused sometimes. So I have 5 free games left. And you're at $3.47. So hopefully get some more free games.
Snoqualmie Casino and Hotel up until 5 p.m. We have our Snoqualmie Tribe Valentine's Day Bazaar. This is happening next to the Hawks Peak. We have
I got another re-trigger of 5 free games.
They will be selling these items up until 5 p.m. Make sure to check out our Snoqualmie Tribe Valentine's Day Bazaar. Thank you
There's
for
a
joining
bizarre.
us here.
Ooh, I am missing something. There must be a sale somewhere.
Casino and Hotel.
I wonder where it is. I missed the announcement where it is. $4. That is not a re-trigger, but it is a $4 prize from the 25-cent bet. Oh, nice. Okay, one more pyramid or gem, and it's going to do 3. Okay. So we are completed at $13.80, and that is not bad.